Hi there, my name is Cozy, and there are materials to make our crossbody bag, so after you've got them, we'll get started. Now you want to take and lay the main fabric wrong side up, and lay the cotton batting, next we're just gonna flip them quilt. The next one that I'm gonna show you is fold it in half. And then stitch along the lines except the opening. Our next step is grab the edge of the fabric and make it like a triangle. So now we are gonna stitch about 5 centimeters. Make sure you do the same thing on the other side. Next, what you want to do is trim the excess fabrics. Now you want to make a D-ring hook holder. So we're gonna blind stitch along the line. Apply the holders. Now take the bag, and what you want to do is turn it right side out. And then put the holders at the tops. Stitch them, of course. The next thing we're gonna do is take our lining and fold it in half with right sides together and stitch. Our next step is grab the edge of the fabric and make it like a triangle. So now we are gonna stitch about 5 centimeters. Make sure you do the same thing on the other side. I think you guys already know you should trim the excess fabrics, right? It's time to turn it right side out. Next, we're gonna close the openings with blind stitch. Insert the lining in the bag. Next, you want to top stitch. Because we are gonna make a top flap, now take and lay the cotton batting and lay the main fabric right side up, and then lay the lining wrong side up and stitch along the line. Our next step is flip it over. After pinning, we are gonna stitch along the line. we need a bias tape. So you want to focus on that 45-degree line, and the bias tape size is 5 centimeters. So now we are gonna take your scissors and cut the bias tape. Lay the top flap right side up and take the bias tape. And what you want to do is trim the edge. Now fold the edge of the bias tape about 1 centimeter and put it on the top flap. Next, we are gonna stick some pins. Stitch along the line. Trim the excess fabric and fold it at the edge. Our next step is flip it and wrap it over. Now stick some pins for leather stitch. See, I'm doing leather stitch. The next one that I'm gonna show you is take and put the top flap on the back and then attach them with blind stitch. The next thing that you want to do is take a male side of the snap and then attach it on the top flap. Now attach the female side. I'm gonna put my decoration with the glue. As you can see, I've already done top stitch. Finally, we can apply a leather strap. Hey guys, bye for now and happy sewing!